place is a residential area, and without you complying to what they said, it will be closed. What will you say in reaction?
Well, it's very unfortunate. First, we don't know in which world, we function now, if it's in the world of abracadabra or if we function in real world. The PDP have their offices all over Port Harcourt at different places, next to churches, residential areas, commercial areas and all of that, But the very worrying thing is that campaigns are not commercial. I think that the PDP should get these things right. Campaigns are not commercial. So you don't consider a campaign office, as being a commercial activity. What's the profit in it? Campaigns are not commercial. That's why they don't even allow campaigns, every day, right? INEC will set at a timetable when campaigns can start. That's a period when they expect Nigerians to take a little bit of inconvenience because, they're going to talk about their future, So I don't know where the PDP comes up with all kinds of things, but we're gradually, becoming a very lawless state. And this, of course, will be challenged. They've served us with the notice. We're waiting for them. We continue to urge this government to try and be law-abiding. Rivers State have not had any capital importation into the state of the $43 billion that have entered Nigeria. Reason number one, investors consider this place insecure. So for every responsible government of Rivers State, what you want to do, number one, is to write that impression so that, you can have investments. When you continue to take actions yourself as government that have the potency, to overheat the polity, then you're feeling, your duty. But this is a very confused state of affairs in the PDP right now. We're actually, in sympathy with them. Very soon, all of you journalists will require permission from the Commissioner of Information to be able to conduct interviews. Very soon, because they are moving. What's it called? The other what? Is it order 21? 21. You can't campaign except, of course, you come to us. 22. You cannot even have a campaign office. 23. You can't even interview political party opponents. So be very careful. Order 23 is targeted at you people.
Thank you, sir.